man working on an air conditioning system in Cape Coral was rushed to the hospital after he fell through an attic. Look at the hole that is left in the ceiling from the fall. The owner of the home says the workers were checking a newly installed system. That's when one of the men fell backward to the ground about 10 feet.
Person that was up there came flying through the ceiling, like boom, banging, landing right on his back. I'm standing here, next thing you know, somebody goes through my ceiling. Hello? Yeah.
The worker was knocked out for a couple of seconds. We will let you know when we get an update on how he's doing.